while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
Spread over 88,752 square kilometers, the land holds history dated back from the British Empire to being the former capital of India. There are, however, some stories that are still not in limelight yet. We take the initiative to provide you all with a one-of-a-time visual experience of the rich geographical diversities of Bengal. In this series, we will cover the wild Sundarban, our very own land of Royal Bengal tigers, to the untamed deltas in the south, from the mesmerizing coastal beaches to the India's very own Grand Canyon, and the highest peak at the north to the tribal areas. So much more only at one place.
Crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe and comment.
And if you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the continuous update.